Hello friends, let us now learn some figure, one of the figures in Robin's pathology. So here you can see this is a radiograph showing urinary tract. Here we can see that this is the kidney which you can see, okay, and this is the renal pelvis. And these are the ureters which you can see clearly. Here you can see the ureters. This is the urinary bladder. This is a radiograph with intravenous contrast. So this is intravenous pyelogram showing the normal urinary tract. You can see the kidneys. You can see this renal pelvis and ureter, and the urine is draining into the urinary bladder. So this is the picture of normal urinary tract. Thank you guys for watching my lecture. Thank you.